Action.
The first thing you do is to turn the unit on. Press the power key, the button. The screen will illuminate. Look up here at the very top to see how much battery life you have. Okay? If the battery life is very low or flashing, you can plug in the auxiliary power cord, 110 volt, which plugs in on the right hand side right here. To set the monitor up for your application, you have to press the hold key till it lights up, press the menu key, which is drop down menu, comes down, rotate the wheel till it comes to setup. Okay, from here you want to set your values by manipulating this wheel. In this case, we're going to set this to 200 kA, and we're going to change the voltage to 20. We're going to use about 13 volts on this weld. From here we press the menu key again, and we go to measure. Tap the center button. Then we go to view, which is the E key. This shows you what you're going to measure at the top and your waveforms at the bottom. You can manipulate these to a variety of things. I want to make this the current peak. Keep turning this down. I want to get rid of force and put in weld time. So I manipulate this to get the weld time. Down at the bottom, I want to turn this on to current. Change this to current. The next one I want to be voltage. And you can manipulate these to see any variety of things. And the bottom two waveforms are turned off, so I'm going to enable them. Then I press the hold key to extinguish it, and we're ready. Okay, next you install the voltage sense cable into the unit. Just snug this down. It doesn't have to be very tight, just so it does not fall off. Okay, next one's the toroidal coil for current pickup. Okay, up here. Voltage sense cable is attached to the positive and negative parts of your secondary. Then you have your toroidal coil, which goes around the secondary to get feedback. And you're ready to take a measurement. After the completion of your weld, if you'd like to check the waveform, enable the hold button, go to menu, see this at the top, go to waveform, tap the center, and you can change these outputs, like on the y-axis, if you want to bring the current down to make it a little more If you like that the way it is, you can go back, and you can change the x-axis also by changing the interval. If you want to zoom on something and measure it, you can use the cursor function to measure over to a certain point, and this measurement is right here. It's a very useful tool.